In this video, I'm going to show you how much money Google pays me per month, and the results you will see just like this one. Welcome guys, and let's go straight to the video. And if you stay tuned until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can also use the same thing that I'm doing to make or to have the same result. So let's say, for instance, you may be asking why you don't only say just like YouTube instead of Google. Well guys, if you go to Google, let's say, right, if you go to Google and write Google monetization programs, and then you will see that in Google you have a lot of different programs, right? Let me open this one, and you will see that there is like Admob program, Google Payment API. Well, basically this is not like that important, but if you go to Google AdSense, you open your account, your Google AdSense account, you will see that you have a lot of programs. You have like Admob, you have sites, you have ads programs, which means, like, for instance, YouTube is included in ads, if I'm correct. Actually, I think that it is included in ads, and Admob is more for people that are like developing apps and stuff like that. So that's why I am saying Google, because I also have some apps and I'm making a little bit of money there. So I'm going to show in this video how it is done and how I'm able to make and how much money I made in November. And sites too, actually sites, I'm going to show you this one later. So let's first start with YouTube, right? It's the first revenue that I'm getting from Google. As you may see that in the first this month of November, I started monetize this channel in November 8 basically, and November 9 actually. So, and from November 9 to the last day of November, you see that we got around $1,000, almost $1,500. This is my revenue, and you may see that my RPM means revenue per mile and tells you how much you earned per 1,000 views. Is about $4, and my CPM is around 23. So you may be thinking, well, it's a good CPM, right? Because most of the channel normally they say my CPM is only $2 or like $4, and this one is I'm getting $23. Actually, this is more about celebrities, and sometimes I included like stuff about, let's say, workout and things that people are willing to pay for, like to show ads on my channel. Okay guys, so this is one of the things that is very important also to put in mind. Now you may see that one of the videos that basically made the most of money, that is the video that took off and made me $1,000. okay, other videos I just got like $6, $27, $3, and that's just like three or better, less than 5 cents. So you may see that was the month of November. October, 0, because October I didn't have monetization enabled on this channel. And so you may see that my revenue was like my revenue for the first one is like 1,000 here, and the other revenue is from YouTube Premium revenue. I was in trouble trying to understand myself how well YouTube normally during this day. Now we have like YouTube Premium, and I didn't know actually that YouTube Premium, they were paying creators, right? If you are creating a video on YouTube, you may say, okay, a lot of people don't want to watch ads, and how YouTube gonna pay creators, but YouTube are really paying that too as well. So it's not that much, but it's a good amount of money. So as you may see, most of the money came from skippable video ads, and 83%, which is a lot, and bumper ads, I don't know, 6 seconds long, no skippable ads, and 60%. Another one was 5%, and the other for almost 5% to display ads. And yeah, that was basically the first channel. And this channel I'm going to post more, because I'm not really posting during these days basically, and I'm going to post more. I'm going to create different content that people are willing to watch, and at the same time subscribe. So, and you may see that I also got from this time 1,000 and almost 2,000 subscribers. So this is also a good thing, you know. I'm getting subscribers, I'm getting paid, and the channel is growing, and this is the thing that I will also. I really appreciate, guys, for all the people that are watching the channel. I cannot show you the channel so that I don't want people copy my content. But so I'm going now to the second channel, and I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna show you just in a few minutes. All right, so this is the second channel. On the second channel I just made $100 and almost 20. So you may say, yeah, that was good. Exactly. So you may see that there is like a big difference, like it's a big gap there, right? 1,000 and another one just made like $100, which means my CPM here was $7 on this one, $7, right? And some days it was like 10, some other days 3, 7, other days 9. And basically the average was $7, and my RPM was 0.51. There's a big gap. The other was more than $2, and this one is just like less than $1. They were like, it was big, very big gap. And this channel too, I started monetizing this channel November 2 as well, almost the same day. I got the same message in the same, almost, yeah, it was the same day actually. And yeah, it was $118. And yeah, one of the videos that got me the most amount of money is this one. I can show you, but yeah, that was the video actually. So you will see that basically 20% of your videos will be the one will give you like 80% of the most revenue. Okay, this is just what happens, and I don't know why, but yeah, the Pareto rules, right? The 80-20 rules. You guys already know this rule. So, and yeah, this is my estimate revenue, and this is my revenue from premium, from YouTube Premium. So skippable video ads was 64%, and the other one 16, 10, 8, and so on. I don't know which one is this one. Unknown. Which type of ad is this? Could not classify this type of ad. How is that possible? Come on, YouTube. Come on, you guys created this. So this is my revenue for this channel. Now let's go to Google AdSense, or better, not Google AdSense, Google Admob. This is my Admob. I actually, like, since last month, no, I think that was in October, I started learning a little bit more about different languages, coding languages like Dart. I was learning Dart just on YouTube, guys. On YouTube, I was searching how to learn how to code with Dart. I watched like a 2 hours video, and I created some few apps because I wanted to practice more, and I put on my Google Play Store account so that people can download and make other things. I'm not promoting my videos, I'm not promoting my apps, and yeah, some people are using the apps and download it, and still I'm making some money. So you see, last month I made 8 euros. Well, let's say 8 euros. How much is 8 euros to 8 euros to dollars, right? To USD. All right, it's about $9.64. Okay, so this is the amount of money that I got last month, and I don't have like billions or thousands of downloads on my apps. I'm not promoting the apps, but some people are using, and I'm getting paid as well, which is amazing. And you may see that sometimes the eCPM, which is almost the same with the YouTube CPM, cost per thousand views. You may see that sometimes it's like 20, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3, sometimes 18, sometimes 100. It's just very, very a lot from day to day, and I don't know really how does it works, but I just know that it works. Yeah, and yeah, my estate just for today, it's not much, right? Like, but sometimes you get more and more impression as well. You may see that impression I got only 183. Sometimes I got like 2,200. It varies. I don't really understand how that it works. Just know that sometimes that you get more and more. And this is the other one. And you may go to also Google AdSense. You will see that the other one is sites. I actually have some few sites, and I want to monetize them, but I applied for that, and then Google denied me, so I'm gonna make some improvements on those sites, and then when I make all the improvements, I may be able also to monetize my channels. Actually, I was editing the video and I was finished editing the video, and I realized that I forgot to tell you the total of all the revenue. So from channel 1 was 1,000, channel 2 was 100, and Google Admob was $9, and total was around 1,588 and 48 cents. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the bell, and I hope to see you on the next video. I'm going to make some improvement in this channel. I want to make it like a YouTube cash cow to give me more and more money, so that I can make at least, let's say, $100 for each one, or maybe $200, maybe $500 per day. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope that you like it, and I see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.